Welcome to this video showing you how to install and configure Trilio for Kubernetes using Helm. For this demonstration, we have Kubernetes 1.16 and Helm v2 installed. We'll go through the following steps. We'll enable the tiller service so we can use Helm. We'll set up the host path CSI driver as Trilio utilizes Kubernetes CSI. And we'll walk you through a quick test of using this interface to take a snapshot of a volume. We can then install Trilio for Kubernetes. In order to use Helm on our Kubernetes cluster, we need to initialize the tiller service. So first, let's create the tiller service account and ensure it was created successfully. Next, we assign the cluster admin role to this tiller service account. And finally, we need to initialize the tiller service account and ensure it is up and running successfully. Trilio for Kubernetes utilizes the CSI to perform snapshots of persistent volumes. For this tutorial, we're using the simple host path CSI driver using the provided script. As you can see, we have new host path CSI pods now running in our Kubernetes environment. With the driver installed, a couple of resources need to be created: the volume snapshot class and the storage class resources that will allow us to utilize this storage as well as take volume snapshots. Now, in this step, we're just going to validate our host path CSI driver by creating a persistent volume and performing a snapshot. When a snapshot completes, the ready-to-use output will show as true. To validate that our snapshot is correct, check the UID of the snapshot corresponds with the UID as displayed in the describe output above. Now that we have done some basic checks and installed the appropriate CSI driver for our demonstration, we can begin the installation of the Trilio operator using Helm. First, we add the appropriate Trilio operator Helm repositories and ensure the Helm repository list is up to date. A simple Helm install deploys the Trilio operator like so. And we can verify this Helm release of our operator has been deployed like so. Now that we have the operator deployed, we can use it to deploy Trilio for Kubernetes. In this step, we have specified that we're installing this at the cluster level. And once all the pods that make up the Trilio for Kubernetes is up and running, the installation is complete. It is that simple. Now, a quick test of utilizing Trilio for Kubernetes is to create a backup target utilizing the target resource. For this demonstration, we're going to be using an AWS S3 bucket as our target. An example can be seen here. And finally, you can do a kube get targets to view this created resource, which can be included as the backup target for your Kubernetes workload. Thank you for watching this video on Trilio for Kubernetes.